morning student. Today we are going to start new topic of planning. Okay beta, new topic of planning, limitation of planning. Before this topic we had studies meaning of planning, its importance, its natures. Okay, now today we are going to start limitation of planning. All the thing is good, or his position or his performance, only importance or good is there, it's not possible. They have some problem also. As like that, planning is very good for the management, planning is very good for the utilizing of any work or doing of any work. With this they have some limitation also, they have some problem also, and today we are going to discuss about these problem. Okay beta, about this problem. First, limitation of planning. After the all goodness, they have some limitation in this planning, and first is planning lead to rigidity. Planning leads to rigidity. Rigid, because when we are going to following the plan, to what condition and what situation and what system is given in that plan, we are bound to following only that system or that system. We cannot changing anything. Okay, by that they are rigid. That plan, that decision, that system making in that plan, it's rigid. You cannot change, because you have to follow that system only, that plan only. If situation is coming, if terminology is changing, if organization atmosphere is changing, but we cannot able to change that plan at that time because it's rigid. What point is given by that plan, that is rigid. They want to only do that same thing. They didn't give the any type of space. You can change the situation, or you can change the system, or you are going to follow the other things. Okay, it's rigid for this. So planning is very good, but the all system, all points, all instructions, all guidelines that is given that planning, that are rigid. So on the time of following of this type of plan, many type of problem in coming in future of following that plan. If it's a rigid, then the problem will come. Because if you want to change anything, if you want to modify anything, you cannot able. You cannot space for that. You are only bound with that plan, because this plan is rigid. Because it's making by the owners or high level managements. So they 100% think about that, what they are thinking, that is 100% right, and what the system made by that planner, only that system will follow. So we can say it's rigid, and that is very big problem for the planning. Okay, next, planning may not work in dynamic environment. It's good, the planning is working on all type of situation, all type of work, all type of system, all type of operation. But maybe you are making the plan for the one situation and the whole situation will change. So maybe that plan not able to work on the different situation or dynamic situation or dynamic environment. In changing environment, you are making your plan by the thinking of your futures, terminology and term and condition of future. But when we are going to apply that plan, then the situation is changed. What you are thinking for the making that plan, that environment, that system will change, and then your plan is not working. Okay, it means it's not surety. Maybe it's work, but it's not sure it will work in dynamic situation. Because what the meaning of dynamic situation beta? Dynamic situation means the changing, the continuously change is coming in the environment, or continuously change is coming in the situation of the business or the different environment, different factor of the business, and that type of change always affected the plan of his success of that plan, because the changing condition is always just effect of the plan reduce beta, okay, always effect of the plan reduce by the changing condition, because what you are thinking, maybe that system will change, maybe that thing will not come. So we can easily say planning may not work in dynamic environment, because the changing in the business, changing in the environment of the business or environment is always fact, and that changing you cannot able to think. If you are not able to think, then that terminology or term thing is not coming in that plan. So we are saying that plan may not work in the dynamic environment. Okay, go for the next. It's reduce creativity. Same like that result here also. What plan is making by the owner or businessman or manager or top level manager, no change will come in that plan, and if no change is there, then you cannot able to utilize your creativity or other creativity. What all things decide by the maker of planner or plan, they are what thinking, only that system we are going to following. We not able to utilize our creativity, our system, our thing, because maybe in your business on the time of following that business, that plan, maybe in your business, in your organization, some person is there, they are able to just utilize own creativity, but when we are utilizing the plan, we cannot utilize or we cannot use own creativity, because that plan is rigid, because we are only following the plan which is making by the top level management, because we are going to follow the all the process, all the term, all the situation, all the rule regulation, all the things which is given in that plan only. We are not utilizing our creativity, but it's a very big problem, because in the plan they are thinking for the future, and when the plan is working, at that time we are utilizing the past logic, and new type of creativity we cannot utilize in our plan. So we can say it's reduced creativity. Okay beta, the person, they know about the many type of creativity, but they didn't try to apply that, because they should be follow the plan only, they have to follow the plan only. So they are just ignore his own activities, his own creativities or creativity or other person, only going with the plan. By that plan, the reduce the creativity. Next, planning involve use cost. Planning and making of the planning, it's not the work of one day, 2 day, or not the work of one or two person or simple persons. It's the work of manager, planner manager. It's work of taking the so much time. It's work of the thinking. It's the exercise of the mind. So on the making of big size of plan or making of the plan, huge cost, more and more expense we are expending for the making of the plan. All the plan, you are making the plan for the future, sure and certain you are going to expend the more and more amount, whose cost you are giving for the plan, because your manager, your planner, your administrator are making the plan, and for the making of this type of plan they are charging good amount, and for the making of this type of plan they are making the different type of research, they are trying to know about the future things. So they are going to expending the money. Total and overall the spending the money is charged to the company who want to make the plan. So this plan is involve huge cost, and these all cost after the charging to the business. Next, these all cost charging to the up to the product. Okay, beta, up to the product. It's clear, beta, up to the product. Then product value will increase, and that is not good for the any business. Okay. Next, it is a time consuming process. Same important thing. It's taking huge cost, and same is needed more and more time. It's not the work of 1 or 2 days. It's not the work of 1 or 2 hours. It's the work of so much time taking work. And in business, if you are investing your time from the other things, then you are not able to invest your time for the main operation or main system on which you have to focus for the improving your business. So all the planning is taking so much time because it's a very long process. That process we are going to study here. First set up the plan, objective, then go for taking the plan, the different type of achievement, then different type of resources, and then attempting one resource, just evaluate the best resource and then taking that plan. Okay, they take huge time. Next, planning does not give guarantee success. You are going to make the plan. It is not like that you have to get the success in your business. Yes, no. You make the plan, it's good. But by the making the plan, if you are the guarantee, you are taking the, think about that, you have the guarantee you will get the success, it's not it. You are the making the plan, by that you are easy to achieve your target, easy to achieve your objective. But sure and certain you are achieve your objective, it's not confirmed. Okay, beta? You are only thinking about the future, you are not taking decision about the future, in the future that should be done or that sure and certain will done. Okay, so this planning is not given any type of guarantee that after the following of this plan we will get the success in our business, we will get the profit in our business. It's only giving the chances to get the profit, in only giving the positive things. By the utilizing of your plan you can give the more and more profit or achieve the profit or achieve your objective easily. It's not giving the any type of guarantee. Okay, next, lack of accuracy. You are thinking about the future. You are thinking about the future. It means it's not able to make the accurate thing. Maybe some changing will come, or maybe some changing is required for the planning, because you are thinking about your future. What will done in the future, you not take any type of decision about that. So the planning is not accurate, only we are guessing the things. We are guess that things, we are making the plan and this plan is accurate for the working our business, or this plan is exact working our business, by that we are easy to achieve the target. It's not accurate. You can reach to your target, up to your target, but exactly you are reached to up to your target, it's not correct. Okay, exact what your plan, same plan you are following and achieve that target, it's not correct. Maybe some changes is required by the changing in situation, by the changing in atmosphere, by the changing of environment, we are needed some change. Okay, beta? It's not accurate. Clear? These all limitation of planning. Planning leads to results. Planning may not work in dynamic environment. It's reduced creativity. Planning involves huge cost. It is a time-consuming process. Planning does not give guarantee success. Lack of accuracy. Clear? Now, after the limitation of planning, we are going for the planning process, because Planning is not like a very small process or very easy process or less time consumed process or less cost consumed process. Same two things we are taking here only. It's taking huge cost and time consumed. So now we are going for the process of planning. Okay, beta? Process of planning. In this process of planning, first setup of the objective. First we are going to set up of the objective. It means the top level management or the person who is taking the decision, they are taking the decision about the target or objectives. Okay, beta? About the target or objectives. Okay, clear? As like that, they are thinking about 200 unit, 500 unit, 800 unit or 1000 units selling or producing. This type of target making by the top level management. Okay, then next, developing premises. After the making of or setting of target or objective, then we are going to searching a different way by which we are collect or conduct or achieve that target. Okay, beta? We are going to search. As like that, you are just make the target for the 200 units. Then you are thinking if we are going to utilize huge capital or utilize more humans or utilize more time or utilize more material, a different way by which they are using, you are going to just increase your production. Okay, so by this we are going to develop the different area, different road map or different way for achieving the target, and that is called developing premises. That is called developing premises. That is called developing premises. Okay, beta? Clear? Next, listing the various alternative for the achieving the objective. Then you are just developing more premises, more alternative. Then we are going to take the list of these all alternative. That target we can achieve by the first, we can achieve by the second, we can achieve by the third, we can achieve by the fourth, we can achieve by the 5, we can achieve by the 7. These 7 alternative we are making for the achieving that target. It's the system. Okay, beta? First set up the objective, then develop the premises, then making the list of the alternative. How many alternative you have? As like that, you want to go to Delhi, and then you are going to make the premises and alternative by the plane, by the train, by the car, by the bus. Okay, these are what? These all are the alternative. Clear? These all are the alternative. Okay, listing these all alternative. Then evaluate of different alternatives. Then we are going to evaluate of these all alternatives. Same there, you want to go to Delhi, then you are going to alternative by plane, by train, by bus, by car. Okay, then you are going to evaluate which is favorable for you only, or the which is favorable for the business only. Okay, going by the plane, going by the bus, going by the train, going by the own car. Okay, if you have good money, you want to save the time, then you go with the plane. Less money, with comfort, go with the train. Again less money but less time, you don't need the comfort, go with the bus. You want the save your time, go with alone, go with free, go with the one car. Okay, these are what? These all are the alternative. In these alternative, we are going to evaluate the best alternative that is good for your organization. That is good for your organization. Okay, beta? Then next, selecting an alternative. After the evaluation, we are going to select the alternative. Same way, if you're talking about the simple person, they are trying to go with the train because comfort, less amount needed. It's take the time, but it's good. Okay. Then on the same situation, the businessman or planner just select an alternative. They are going to select the alternative. They are going to select the alternative. Okay, beta? After this, they are going to select alternative. Then implement the plan. Then they are going to implement the plan. Plan is create. You are selecting the alternative. Then they are the implement on the business or organization. Or you say that system is following by the business. That system is just introducing on the front of the business or the person or the organization holders. Okay, that is the introduce the implement that plan. We are going to implement that plan in our business. And last follow up. Now in this follow up, that plan is working. That plan is going to the working in the system or organization or that business. That is called follow up. Okay, clear? Planning process also clear, beta? In this planning process, first set the objective, develop the premises, then listing of various alternatives, then evaluate the different alternatives, select an alternatives, then implement the plan, and last is follow. Clear, beta? No problem about that? Okay, check it.